Let's talk about cryptocurrency because I know I have been investing in cryptocurrency. I have a lot of colleagues and friends who invest in cryptocurrency, and it's interesting. It's like New York City. People either love it or hate it. People either totally are big believers in it or totally like think it's a scam, it's going to go away and whatever. What's your take on that?
Well, no, I think it's a must. I think you have to have it, and if you just ignore it, it's going to be one of those things. Oh my God, I should have bought Home Depot 20 years ago, right?
Or I should
Mhm.
have bought Amazon 20 years
Oh
ago.
yeah,
I
exactly.
should
I
have
should have
bought
kept my
Tesla.
Amazon.
I should have bought Google,
Right, right. So it's definitely here to stay. The other thing is that the cryptocurrency could be stolen from your wallet. So when you do finally get into some really big money, you have to buy this lock and uh, and put it in there. And you could put it in, and there's like 29 or 17 different passwords, and then you could put that in a safe deposit box because people's crypto have been stolen online. You know, some big numbers, and it's
It's
out
a
there.
good point. It's a good point. But even having your wallet, that comes with its own concerns and negative points because if you have your crypto in a wallet and then God forbid you lose this wallet or you forget the passwords, which also happen, people lost their money because they cannot recover their wallet. So that's another issue to be concerned about. I think it was like since last year, I think 2019 or 2020, when the government started asking you on your tab when you're doing your tax return, there is a new question now on the tax return, and it asks if you're buying cryptocurrency. So that's a big teller for me because the government obviously it's big enough for the
It's going to
government to want
recognize
to
it.
get into the action
Yeah,
because before
yeah.
that they weren't.
I
It was like
don't.
totally like off the block, right? You could have done things and be completely off the grid. When now it's becoming harder and harder, you're supposed to tell your at least the United States government if you're buying cryptocurrency.
Yeah, and in the beginning, the crypto was to avoid the government. So we're going to see what happens with that with 1099s and who's making what, and they're going to try and I guess catch up with these people that have cashed out